Too busy to cook? Or just feeling lazy?
Welcome to Lazy Fit Kitchen. High protein meals, minimum effort, maximum results. Let's get lazy.
Alfredo pasta is usually a calorie bomb. My version uses Greek yogurt and has 40 grams of protein.
Cheat code, Greek yogurt, Parmesan, garlic, and a little pasta water. Blend it up.
Pour the sauce over hot pasta. The heat melts the cheese and thickens the yogurt. Toss it until every noodle is coated. It's so creamy you won't believe it's healthy.
Top with grilled chicken breast. Now you have a muscle-building meal. Garnish with parsley and black pepper. Fancy enough for date night.
Rich, cheesy, and packed with protein. No heavy cream needed.
Pasta is back on the menu. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Add milk and sweetener. Stir until you have a thick, glossy batter.
Hide a few chocolate chips in the center for a molten core.
Microwave for 60 seconds. Watch it rise.
Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt for moisture and extra protein.
It's fluffy, moist, and kills the cravings instantly. Late night snack solved. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Salmon takes too long to cook? Not if you cut it into bites. Ready in 8 minutes. Remove the skin and cut your salmon into 1-inch cubes.
Toss with soy sauce, honey, garlic, and sesame oil. Simple Asian glaze. Air fry in a single layer. Don't pile them up.
Air fry at 400 degrees for just 6 to 8 minutes. Serve over rice. Top with sesame seeds and green onions.
Crispy edges, tender inside. It's the fastest healthy dinner ever. Stop overcooking salmon. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
The ultimate lazy hack, the rotisserie chicken. Let's make 5-minute tacos. Buy a rotisserie chicken, shred the breast meat, no cooking required. Toss with taco seasoning and a splash of water to revive the juiciness. Warm your corn tortillas. Cold tortillas are sad tortillas. Top with onion, cilantro, and salsa verde, street style. Greek yogurt instead of sour cream adds protein. Don't forget the lime. High protein, low calorie, and takes 0 effort.
Taco Tuesday every day.
Follow Fit Foodie Essentials. Cheesecake for breakfast? This overnight Weetabix trend is genius and high protein.
Crush 2 Weetabix biscuits with a splash of milk. Press it into the bottom of a jar.
Mix thick Greek yogurt with vanilla protein powder and sweetener.
Layer the yogurt mixture on top of the crust. Smooth it out. Top with sugar-free jam or melted berries.
Refrigerate overnight. The crust sets just like cheesecake.
Wake up to a dessert that fuels your muscles.
Meal prep winner. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Stop spending $6 on sugary lattes. This protein iced coffee has 30 grams of protein and costs $1.
Fill a tall glass with lots of ice.
Pour in your favorite vanilla or caramel protein shake. This is your creamer and sweetener.
Pour 2 shots of espresso right on top. Watch that beautiful swirl.
Stir it up. It tastes better than Starbucks, I promise.
Add a drizzle of sugar-free caramel if you're feeling fancy.
Caffeine plus protein, the ultimate morning hack.
Start your day right. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
Need a 5-minute lunch with no cooking? Cut a cucumber in half and scoop out the seeds to make a boat.
Mix tuna, Greek yogurt, hot sauce, and green onions. High protein filling. Fill up your cucumber boats. Pack it in there. Drizzle with sriracha for a spicy kick. Top with everything bagel seasoning. It adds so much flavor.
Low carb, high volume, and super refreshing. Perfect easy lunch. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
The ultimate lazy dinner. 1 pan, 0 cleanup. Sheet pan sausage and veggies.
Slice up some turkey sausage. It's lean and packed with flavor.
Chop whatever veggies you have. I use peppers, zucchini, and onions. Dump it all on a pan. Drizzle olive oil and Italian seasoning. Toss it to soak. Spread it out so it roasts, doesn't steam. Roast at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Walk away and relax.
Meal prep for the next 3 days is done. Look at those colors.
Easy cleanup, happy belly. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials. Pizza craving? You can make these bagel pizzas in 5 minutes flat. 3 ingredients.
Grab a bagel or English muffin. Slice it in half.
Spoon on some marinara sauce. Use the sugar-free kind.
Top with low-fat mozzarella cheese. Add mini pepperoni or veggies. Customize it.
Air fry at 375 for 5 minutes until the cheese bubbles. Crunchy, cheesy, and satisfies the pizza itch instantly.
Snack smarter. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.
This Tuscan chicken looks fancy, but it's a one-pan lazy meal. High protein and low carb.
Sear seasoned chicken breasts until golden. Remove them from the pan.
In the same pan, saute garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, and spinach.
Pour in almond milk or light cream and Parmesan cheese.
Let it thicken, then add the chicken back in to warm through.
Simmer for 2 minutes. The sauce clings to the chicken perfectly.
Impress your date or yourself. Follow Fit Foodie Essentials.